Okay, we're being recorded now, so. All right, so we're going to be covering chapter 6 and going over wireless. But first off, I do want to point out, why do we have a lot less than the morning class? All right, anyway, we'll start with the watch video project. There's a video project, 5-hour video. I think I've talked about this before, right? And over the next 5 weeks, 6-page essay, right? And it's due in 5 weeks, but we have an outline, an intro due in 2 weeks, and then a draft in 3 weeks, right? Now, one thing to note, when we go into here and go to the video. Let's go here, or just stop the video here. But if you go to the show more, it gives you a listing of all kinds of things that they talk about and what time frame, so it can help you put together a nice outline, right? Okay. Right. What's that? There's almost an outline right there, but you don't have to do the whole video. You can't do the whole video. 6 pages, you would probably need. I mean, if you wrote a 300-page book for me, you might be able to cover what they cover in 5 hours. Yeah. So pick and choose a few topic areas that you're wanting to concentrate on.
Okay, because I was going to ask you, I was already at 16 pages of going over that. Yeah. So I wanted. That's why I'm going over this. I want to stress this. Yeah. Yeah, I was going to condense it after.
Yeah. Just pick a few highlights, right? Don't, right, because there's no way you would have to write me a book. Yeah, it's too much, right? I just wanted to get, what's, I mean, what are the highlights that you remember offhand? That's,
Okay, so like the discussion board kind of maybe?
Kind of like a discussion board, maybe, right? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's why I'm going over this, because I know some people, and there's no way you can condense this video into 6 pages. There's just absolutely no way, and cover everything. Well, I mean, I guess if you just type this, right? I mean, and wrote a sentence off of each one, but it would be of no value to anyone, right? So the idea is to try to just help, dump some of the stuff that you've got out of it, right? Some of the cooler things that you really picked up on, things that you just some highlights, right? Don't make it too hard on yourself, right? That's all I'm saying. My goal is did you really watch the video, right? Did you get anything out of it, right? And then help retain some of that, of the better points that you like, because you're writing about it, because it's just another mode to memorize it. But so anyway, yeah, definitely 6 pages is all I'm looking for. All right, let's see here. I do need, I want to look at the morning class here, because they have more on their calendar, and I don't know why you don't. So, wireless lab. Why is the wireless lab missing? Okay. There it is. That goes to Monday. All right. Yeah. I don't know why the start wireless lab was on Wednesday when it was due Wednesday. So, I mean, you could still do it, but so we'll start this wireless lab. And so if we go into week 5, week 5. Oh, shoot. Yeah, okay, I am sharing. Okay, good. All right, so there's this wireless lab folder in week 5, right? So if you click in there, it, right, here's a little backwards. Completes steps 1 and 2, right? So there's 2 text files. And if you open the text files, it'll tell you to go to this website and then go and do these steps and take screenshots, right? So we'll just do this first one here. So it goes to this Linksys website. Copy that or go to it. So it takes me to the Linksys router website. It's an emulator, right? So step 1 is on the basic tab. I want to highlight the host name. All right. So I'm on the basic setup tab, right? So I'm going to get my snipping tool. SM. All right. I'm going to take a new screenshot, get my crosshairs, take the picture, right? And then I'm going to get the highlighter and I'm going to highlight the host name. Oops, maybe not. Clear. I'm going to highlight the host name. And then I would just save that to a Word document. And I'm going to build, so I'm going to do file save as, right? And I'll just do basic, right? And then I'm going to go to the next tab, and highlight the router password, then the security, etc. Right? I'm going to add that into a Word document, and then when I'm done, I'm going to upload that Word document by double-clicking on the title and browse and find that Word document. And I'm going to have 2 though, right? Or one. Well, I could have 1, but I've got 2 files. I got this one here, goes to this website, and I do these steps. All right. Does that make sense to everybody? All right, so there's 2 files, right? You go and you just taking screenshots. It's pretty simple for most of it. Some of it does require you to think a little bit, such as like entering an RDP and things like that. But there's a manual down here as well to help you. Anyway, that we'll start in our lab after lecture, and then that'll be due on Wednesday at the end of class. So, and you can do this from home. It's a website, so you don't have to do it here. But let's see here. All right. So that is, I think, everything there. So no questions on that so far? Okay, everybody? Okay. All right. Let me go. All right, so I'm going to turn off the recording for now because we're going to go and do another active learning session. And so we're going to have a lot of dead microphone space for the online. So I'm going to stop.